Hello, it's Sarah here, and I'm just going to show you how to set up a Google Plus business page. So when you're logged into your personal Google Plus account, just scroll down and you'll see it's got create a page. So click on that, and it gives you a choice of the type of page that you want. If you click a local business or page, I think it will link it to your Google Place listing. It just asks you to put in a telephone number. Product or brand or company institution, it gives you a drop-down arrow with different choices. Arts and entertainment, the other tab doesn't really give you much choice. So I'm going to go in this case for organisation. And I'm going to select the category, which is consulting, page name, Norwich Social Media Week. This is the page I'm setting up for something that we're collaborating on. I don't have the website yet, but I will go back in and add it once I've got the URL. I want it to be seen by any Google user. I don't want an age limit, and agree to the terms. Now, the one thing to be aware of with the terms is that if you are planning to run a contest or a competition on your Google page, then they've got quite strict rules in the same way that Facebook has, so make sure you read the terms and conditions before you do that. So then create a page. It just takes a short while it creates the page for you. Okay. Once the page is created, make sure you have a photo ready to upload. Photos on Google Plus are really key. They look much better than they do on some of the other channels. Add in the tagline, so I'm going to go back and add the photo later, but usually I'd add it in as I'm creating the page, and I think it's key that you have some photos on there, something visual. Just press continue. And what happens right from when you create the page, it goes public. You don't get a chance, like in Facebook, to play around with it. It's public straight away. Now, you don't want to share it on Google at the moment because you've got nothing to show people, so ignore this bit and just go straight to finish. Now, this is where you can put some posts on your page, make it look a bit interesting. You can get a Google Plus badge to go on your website, and there are a few other things you'll want to do before you actually tell people about your page. If you click on the name here, it will take you to Edit Profile. You see they hide it away. You probably wouldn't have found that without a lot of searching. Click on Edit Profile and make sure you fill in the section about you to give an introduction, contact information. Again, you can add the website in if you haven't already done it. On the recommended link, make sure you add in a custom link with keywords in it. So instead of just saying perhaps my blog, put in Norwich blog or whatever your keywords are, or to tie in with your profession. Again, if you want to change the photo or anything, you can do that. It's very good to add lots of photos, as I say, and you can add them here in the profile. Now, the other thing you might want to do is to add another admin to your page. I always advise that you have more than one person controlling it in case something happens. To do that, go to Home, and you can see the little drop-down arrow next to the pages. Go down to Manage Your Pages, or Page, and this is where you can change the visibility of who sees your posts, deal with all the other usual settings, and once it gets to that page, you'll see in a minute there's a place to add an admin. So you've got the general settings there, and so I said admin, they're actually managers, they're called on Google+, and this is where you can add somebody else to manage the page with you. So I think that's the main things that you need to do, a very quick run through of it. If you've got any questions, just feel free to contact me. You can go to our page, which is my main page, which is Bright Yellow Marketing, which you can see there, and just post any questions or just contact me directly. So I hope that's of help, and thank you for listening.